So guys, today we'll be working with this human hair ball kinky from Quisduis hair. Hope I'm getting the pronunciation right. And they sent me 4 packs of their hair in 16 inches. So this is their hair care handbook, so you know how to go about caring for the hair. Okay, so the hair is in 16 inches. Let's go ahead and unbox it and create something with it. Okay guys, so this is it out of the package. So it's so soft on the hand. It's very soft, I must say that. So ladies, it's norms here that we start our micro or mini twist as knotless. Why? Because we want that natural look. Okay, so guys, there's something I love about this particular human hair ball kinky from Quisduis hair, and I'm going to show you that where the camera permits me to film in full when I've gone far into the hair and I can show you all the length. I'm going to talk about it. So guys, what I love about this extension is about the tips coiling up as I'm finishing without me having to activate it with water or conditioner. I mean, look at it. So guys, link to this hair will be in the description box. Check it out, buy and enjoy. So enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be sharing with you guys too how to style this hair.